Hello and welcome to another video tour of Cyfuture Cloud Tenant portal. In this video, we will learn how to upload a disk on a virtual machine. Let's start. As the
Now I
first
need
step,
to
click
update
on the
my
VM you
disk
have
in my
created.
VM.
The VM dashboard opens up for customizing properties. Here in the
Just
left
click on
menu,
this one
click
and
on
this one
Hard
will
Disk.
disk.
Here you will be able to say that by default,
And
the storage
by
size
default
is
we have
90
90 GB of my
gigabytes.
disk, and
Hit the
we
Edit
can add it.
button. A new
If
pop-up
they have,
opens up.
suppose we need to
Here, change
120,
the
I can
default
just add it
size to
120
120 gigabytes. Once done,
and
click on the
save it
Save
here.
button. Wait for some time until it gets processed. Now,
I can
click
open
on
it
Launch
again
Web Console. Hit
and
the
continue.
Ctrl plus Alt plus
And
Del button. Use the login
this
password
one
which
is
you
my
would have saved
password. So
earlier which
key.
creating the VM. In the window that opens up, click
Need
on the
to just
Search
open
button
the
to
run
open the
box.
search menu. Here, type Run. In the Run command box that opens up, type diskmapped.msc and hit the OK button.
And disk mgmt.msc.
Here you can check the storage size, which clearly shows that the disk size is
So
120
this is my
gigabytes.
120 GB
The
disk
30 gigabytes disk space is unallocated. In
30
case
GB
you
I have.
want to increase the space,
Okay, so I have
right-click on
just
it and click on Extend
extend this
Volume.
volume.
Hit the Next button. Again on the Next button. Once done, click on the Finish button. Now you
Now
can click on
in
File
there my
Explorer
VM
and
is
hit the
showing
This
is
PC button to check the disk
20 GB
space.
of my disk.
Here you can clearly see that your VM has been allocated 120 gigabytes of disk space.